The security features in Sage CRM extend to cover the internal CRM reporting engine. If a user can't see the data in the screen, then they'll not be able to see the data in the reports. The main security profile settings apply, and so do the field-level security settings. But how can we stop people seeing reports that they're not entitled to view? For example, a manager may not wish others to see what they're analysing, so you may not want to be able to know that they're looking at a particular part of the business. And so we can guard against access to reports at the level of the report category. Here you can see I'm logging on to the system as the system administrator, and I'm using here a demo system. Once I've arrived onto the dashboard, then I can view the reports. I want to access the reports category main page, and here you can see all of the different categories that have been created for reports: sales reports, communications, marketing, etc. There's also a category called Administrator that contains reports about the usage of the system. Other users will not see this category. Here I've switched over to view the same screen but with the sales manager, Susan May. So why can't Susan May or other users see this category, whereas the system administrator clearly can? This is down to a setting within the administration area and within the advanced customization area. Underneath the system menus, the report categories are a type of menu. Now if I scroll down the list of system menus, I can find the one called Reports tab group, and now I can click to edit this. And I can see the different categories listed here. Now if I click to view the properties of the administrator menu option, we can see that it has an SQL clause defined. An SQL clause on a tab menu option uses contextual information to control access. The tab example here is user per admin equals 3. This is referencing a field from the user table and refers to the administration rights for this user. User per admin is equal means that there's no admin rights. User per admin equals 1, well that's info admin rights. User per admin 3 is system administrator rights. This allows a system administrator to control access to the report category by a user's administration rights. But we can reference any field, including custom fields, on the user table. Let's consider another example. What if there was a business need to restrict access to certain reports after a certain time of day? Or perhaps we wanted to restrict people's access to reports on certain days of the week or month. Then we can use system information. The SQL clause has to reference the user information, but we can also restrict access to report categories using system date information. For example, if we needed to stop a user accessing a category until a certain time had passed, then we can include the necessary SQL functions to examine the date. We have to reference the user, but we can set the clause to be something like user ID is not null, and then date part, the hours, get date is greater than 18. Now if this was saved into the SQL clause of one of the categories, this would cause the category to be concealed before that time of day, only revealing it once the time had passed.